So I got a question on this, and I figured I would do a test and post a video on this. So someone, after seeing the IKEA Tradfri bulb connected directly to the Amazon Echo Plus, they wanted to know about, well, what about if I want to use the Amazon switches or motion detectors? So how do I get that to work? And the way you do that is by using the IKEA Tradfri gateway. And once you've got your bulbs and switches and everything connected with the gateway, it's just a simple enabling of the Amazon skill. Pretty easy. So this is a two-step process. So the first thing, we're going to go into the IKEA app, go into the settings, integrations, and go into the Amazon Madam A settings. And then we'll just click on that enable button. It's going to say ensure your device is set up. To continue, your device needs to be up and running. Click on that enable button, and this is going to then help us to open up the Amazon app. And we're going to enable the skill from here and give permissions. We would like the IKEA Tradfri would be like to be able to access that profile. So for whatever reason, this is how the integration works. So I'm now logged in. Awesome. Now we're going to have to go back over to Madam A and enable it on the other side. So we're going to go to skills. We're going to type in IKEA. Find that skill. We're going to have to enable that skill. Again, we can read through here, and if there's anything in particular you wanted to see. I don't believe we're going to see any of the switches or motion detectors or any of those kinds of things, but it kind of is what it is. We put in our username and password, go to the skills store. We've now successfully linked Amazon Madam A back to IKEA. So we've linked IKEA to Madam A back to IKEA, and then we click on the Discover Devices, and that should be it. So the Madam A discovering devices takes a while because it discovers through everything, every smart home skill you've got. So now we found 5 new devices or 7 new devices, which is what we would expect to see. And now we should be able to scroll through the list and go and find us some IKEA bulbs. So let's scroll down here. There we see IKEA Light 10, 11, or 12. We see all those bulbs. And if we scroll a little further, I've only named one of them within the IKEA app. So there was Mica flower, and there we go. We've got Mica's flower. So that is the flower that I've done in another video. And now we can actually do access this through Madam A as well. So one of the reasons you would want to do this and not go with the Echo Plus integration is that, as you can see here, I've still got motion sensors and lights that are connected to the IKEA gateway, which means I can still control them manually, which I can't do right now with the Echo Plus. So that's like the main reason you would want to do this integration rather than go and connect your bulbs directly to the Echo Plus, for instance. So using the Madam A app, we can go in here. Of course, we can turn this on or off. You can see there's this little waiting for IKEA of Sweden. That's the integration. We can do max, min, all those great things. And of course, as you would expect, we can also use voice to be able to control this. Turn Mica's flower off.
Okay.
And that's it. If you found this helpful, give me the thumbs up. The likes are always good. Subscribe if you haven't. It does really help. See you soon.